Hello and welcome to LEGO Friends set 41748. This is a short review. The package containing 4 instructions, a sticker bow and the model itself. In my meaning, it's very colorful, but I love it. It's mainly made for child, I think. There are a cool tree. Two minifigures on the outside. This one can be moved down and upwards and sidewards. Also, this containing multiple etages which can interchanged to another level. On the top there are a little garden with a bee, a bug, some tomatoes and strawberries, some water dropper. Inside here there are a functional machine to make new t-shirts, I think. You can slide down here to get to the next floor. Here is a gamer room for digital and analog games. One floor below there are a video editor at work because he had an interview with a guest. And on the last floor there are a gig for the music. Also they can dance there and play piano or guitar. This is not the only review about this set, but for now, yes, it is. Stay tuned for another update, because this building gets taller in the next review. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.